Don't go away. Who's he?
That's a champ. Tiny Irish Bob Murphy.
But he ain't tiny, and I have a sneaking suspicion he ain't even Irish.
His eyes are smiling.
You old son of a gun, you. You're the champ. He's Irish. But he ain't tiny. He definitely ain't tiny. Go in there. The ref wants to talk to you.
All right, champ, let me check that glove.
Give me a hand, will you?
Sure.
That's a good glove.
Come on. Boys, this is a 15-round fight. And,
Don't bet on that. I have a dinner date in 10 minutes. I'll be showered, shaved, and dressed. And 5 minutes early.
You got him now.
What do you mean I got him?
And there will be no hitting below the belt.
That don't leave me much space.
And that's gonna be your problem. And if there's a knockdown, you go to the nearest neutral corner. All right?
That's where I'm going right now. Where you go? To the nearest neutral corner, which happens to be, for me, 125th Street and 8th Avenue. Later, you got him. Fight him, Whitey.
Come on.
Get in there. Get him in a clinch. We'll think of something.
Don't worry about a thing. He's scared to death of you.
Get him in a clinch.
Yeah, we'll think of something. Don't worry.
Look, I tell you what. Why don't you get him in a clinch? Because I already thought of something I told him before. I'm gonna leave. Kill me.
Come on.
Go ahead, get him.
All right, fight.
All right, get him. Get him there, Joe. Hit him in the midsection.
I got him now. You got him, Junior. That's it. Hit him again.
Now you got him. Get him on the rope.
That was a good one, Junior.
Oh, that's a good one.
Oh, you got him now.
One more like that. Get him, baby.
Attaboy. You got him.
Now you got him.
Come on. Hey, there's only one hope left. Try and make friends with him.
That's
What?
it.
Make friends.
Make friends with him?
Make a friend of him. You can do it.
Hi there, sailor. New in town?
Hey. It's no use. We better throw in the towel.
Yeah,
No,
I
wait.
think you're right.
Wait.
What?
Please wait. I think I got one thing that can take him by surprise. One last thing. Easy, bro. Come on. Come on here, bro. Jordan! How did you do it?
What did you whisper in his ear?
I just told him that George Wallace was going to buy the house next door to his. And that flattened him? Wouldn't it flatten you?